Hello, my name is McKenna Ashcraft, and what I got out of the program was actually the end part where we drew a tree, basically connecting it through our paths of like people who we connect with, people who we meet. Like for example, the roots are the people who are going to be there to support you and teach you throughout the way, and then the actual like branches are going to be people who kind of just come and go, are there for a season, and are going to be there to help either guide you or not. So you're going to have to realize like to keep those people in your life or to not keep those people in your life. This program I thought was very empowering. It's a lot of interactions. I love the fact that we brought football involved because I personally love football. And then also too, the big hug at the end where we hug ourselves. I love that part too. So it was a great program.
Would you recommend this program?
Oh, 100%. I would recommend it to anybody. I honestly feel like so much more motivated, and I was about to cry hugging myself at the end. I'm like, wow, I feel inspired, genuinely. So yeah.